Hello guys, how you doing? I was navigating inside Edge of Sage account and I noticed something inside the campaign manager, inside the product tab to be precise. I noticed this little tab in here, all sold products. This is showing us the products in our catalog that have gross sales. That means sales, advertising sales, and organic sales in the same spot. So this is very useful to check on advertising sales versus organic sales on a quick view, and we can even export this data and this one make a quick calcul and know how much organic sales you are getting from this one on this specific date range, of course, and on this same ASIN. The main point of this is to find products to advertise using some Amazon campaigns. So, for example, if we scroll down, we are going to be able to see advertised. This is not advertised, and we are already selling for 200 an each. This is ineligible for ads, and it is because it says we are out of stock. But no, we need to review why we cannot advertise this one, for example. But it's giving us a good hint. This is not being advertised, for example, and this is eligible, so we can post this one. We have low stock, but we can start advertising this one and measure improvement. Just wanted to highlight this part because I found it useful, or I find it useful for those two specific cases. If you didn't see it, I recommend you to watch on this spot. So maybe because maybe you are missing some places to advertise. Thank you so much, guys. That's all for me, and I hope you find it useful. See you later. Bye bye.